Today's video is sponsored by the next Prime Minister of UK. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a depth map node after. This is available only in the studio version. If you are in the free version, you can cry all you want. Change the mode to faster, so you don't blow up your computer, unless you need to tell an excuse to your wife to buy the new MacBook. If you want, you can activate the map levels and adjust the sliders to your liking. Once you are satisfied, bring a drip node after. Change the shape to random. Now you will get this nice grain blending. You can move the center position to change the direction of the grain. Increase the amplitude slider to make the grain stronger and longer. Play around with the dampening slider to find out what works best for you. Add a stop motion node after, and change the frame repeat to 3, and your effect is ready. Not very useful though, but it is something to experiment with. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, no one cares about your opinion.